This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with their closing grain and livestock comments for January 26, 2021. Corn up 20 3/4, beans up 26 3/4, Chicago wheat up 16 3/4, Minneapolis up 12, Kansas City up 13 3/4. Over a 1.3 million metric ton sale to China today gets the market revved up. When you look to underlying tones here, there's a lot of components around the market, but a nice recovery back here for these markets after last week's slide. In a matter of 2 days now, we've covered a good chunk of that here in the front months, and in back months, even in new crop, we've had nice recovery here. So a market that isn't quite done yet. We've got strong demand around these markets. I don't think we're doing a great job of rationing here, and I think that's important to note. And we look at the summer trends now for the U.S. pointing to La Nina type conditions. There's obviously just people finding buying interest for one reason or another. Now the key is, how do we handle these highs? And we're getting up near them, especially in old crop corn. We'll see how wheat handles them. But again, some good progress. Be attentive here. Don't neglect marketing. Managing risk is really the key, and there's ways to do that here within this environment while still allowing for upside. Feeder cattle down 90. Obviously with the corn give back, we saw that down 90 to $2. Live cattle up 47.5, hogs down 17.5. So kind of a real wish-wash day for the cattle market here. As to be expected, those markets recovered very well. We're into new highs here and trying to really figure out what we've got here with the cash undertone and exports, which we'll discover a little later in the week. So we'll kind of digest off that, start talking price counts a bit more and go from there. But for right now, we do have good trade for live cattle and hogs. You got to believe with this higher corn price that we'll see at least some support buying around those, but it's all on inventory, and we got to look to that base fundamental at the end of the day for the live cattle and hogs for inventories. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in features and options involves risk of loss. It is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.